In this video, we explained about Kumbh Mela in short. Please watch the video up to end. Every 12 years, millions converge on the sacred rivers of India. They come seeking liberation, purity, and a divine connection. This is the Kumbh Mela, the world's largest spiritual gathering. The story of Kumbh Mela begins in the cosmic past. According to Hindu mythology, the gods and demons churned the ocean of milk to extract the nectar of immortality. A divine tussle ensued, spilling drops of nectar on 4 earthly locations: Prayagraj, Haridwar, Nashik, and Ujjain. These spots became sacred, hosting the Kumbh Mela. The earliest references to Kumbh Mela date back to the 8th century, attributed to the sage Adi Shankaracharya, who revitalized Hindu traditions. Over centuries, it evolved into an event where kings sought blessings, scholars debated philosophy, and commoners purified their souls. From Haridwar to Prayagraj, the festival unified India's spiritual landscape. At the heart of Kumbh Mela lies the belief in purifying sins. The sacred dip, or snan, is performed on auspicious dates, as the planetary alignments are believed to amplify spiritual energies. Another iconic ritual is the Shahi Snan, where akaras, monastic orders, take a royal procession to the river. These traditions symbolize the victory of spirituality over materialism. Kumbh Mela is not just a religious gathering, it's a cultural phenomenon. From folk songs to ancient texts, the festival showcases India's diverse heritage. It has become a melting pot, attracting people from all corners of the globe. In modern times, managing millions of visitors is a colossal task. From healthcare to security, authorities employ cutting-edge technology and infrastructure to ensure a seamless experience. However, sustainability remains a growing concern, with efforts underway to minimize the environmental impact of such large gatherings. Kumbh Mela is more than an event, it's a spiritual journey. It bridges the past with the present, uniting humanity in a quest for peace and enlightenment. As the waters of these sacred rivers flow eternally, so does the legacy of Kumbh Mela. From its mythical beginnings to its modern grandeur, Kumbh Mela continues to inspire awe and devotion. It is a testament to the enduring faith and resilience of humanity. This is not just a festival, it is the soul of India, timeless and eternal. Subscribe for more stories from history.